absolutely no flair to the subject, but I do know that if you add vinegar to a meringue base when you're making a pave, it ensures that the inside stays gooey and marshmallowy while the outside crisps up, and this is what we want. And this is where Anna Pavlova's gleaming white swan gets turned into the mucky duck version of the pave. Cocoa, beautiful brown dust, 3 spoonfuls. Sieve it, because otherwise you will get horrible grainy lumps. Wonderful Aztec hillside I'm making here. I made the chocolate pave simply because I am so addicted both to making and eating pavlova. I just thought one day I wanted to do something a bit different. And as Mae West said, too much of a good thing can be wonderful. So I added some chocolate, and it's this bit that makes the difference. So get the best dark chocolate you can, half a bar, about 50 grams, and chop it into wonderful dark splinters. And the point about this is that these little chocolate bits will stay molten like nuggets of melting chocolate in the meringue. Add these to the cocoa dusted meringue and serenely and confidently fold in the cocoa, vinegar and chocolate. Just keep turning the spoon round and down until everything is gently combined. And now I'm ready to mound the meringue onto the tin. I find if you dollop teeny bits of meringue onto the tin, it keeps the paper from moving about when you're actually building up the pave base. And then mound pleasurably, slowly, as smooth as you go. The trick with the pavlova, along with the vinegar, is that when you put it in the oven, you put it in at a much hotter temperature than you normally would with a meringue, 180, which is gas mark 4. And the minute it goes in, you turn it down to gas mark 2, 150. And this means that the outside sears to a sudden crisp, but the inside cooks slowly and gently, so you have that brown, melting, gooey marshmallow interior. Down. This will need about an hour and a quarter to cook, and then once it's cool I can slather it with cream and cover it with raspberries. I have a line I always say, and when I say it I believe it, which is that unlike most women I don't have a particular thing about chocolate. But I ask you, is this the cupboard of someone who doesn't have a thing about chocolate? I have an excuse for the dark and white chocolate button.